leaders. When you graduate from this here college, you will be transformative leaders in your classrooms, okay? When you guys graduate, my non-education majors, you will be transformative leaders as you go. One of the things my student, Mr. Alex Gonzalez, does, he tells his students this. He says to them, I'm better than you. Right now, I'm better than any of you. And they look him right in the eye and said, right now, I'm better than any of you. He says, but that ain't gonna last forever. Because you're gonna go far, you're gonna do places, you're gonna exceed things well beyond anything I could dream of that I'm doing in my life, okay? Because that's kind of harsh what he says at first, right? And it's true, because you guys, everybody in here, I can't wait to see what you guys do, you know? You're gonna like soar well beyond anything I've done. Okay, so, technology offers disruptive innovations that may alter educational patterns. And you know what? We need that disruptiveness, because that's how change happens. You know, people get so maligned in their way of doing things. We need to step on toes sometimes. We need to be that crazy person. Okay? And you can ask some of my colleagues, they'll tell you, yeah, that boy crazy. But I try to get things done. So, writing grants, that's the big thing. Now, you know, you look at the paper, FAMU, $88 million grant written by the College of Engineering. You know, $27 million grant written by the School of Pharmacy. You know, $2,000 grant written by Dr. White in the College of Education. So, it doesn't matter. You know, in schools, as students right now, you can write grants. You know, but in schools, that's how you get these extra things. That's how you get these perks, and that's from K through 12 all the way up to this level. You know, I go to the dean and say, "Hey, dean, I need this." You know, I have to write a grant, dude. I'm not giving you any money. You know, you know. So we try to do this. It is money. But, you know, the middle part here is the light bulb. Ideas happen, you get these grants, you do things. Right now, we are waiting, Dr. Fitzbannister and I are waiting for a $1.9 million grant we wrote to get robots in 10 schools in Polk County over a 3-year period. So, you know, there's a lot of grant. We wrote a grant for NASA, $4.9 million grant. We didn't get it, okay? Stuff happens. I'm not gonna go cry about it. We didn't get it. I was, doggone it, we'll try again, you know? Yeah.
I was gonna ask, how do you estimate how much the grant's gonna cost?
How much the grant's gonna cost or how much they're gonna give you?
Or,
Budget.
Yeah, well,
how do
yeah.
you get 4.9 million?
Well, that's what they're saying they'll offer. You know, they're saying, you know, you can go up to 4.9 million. Well, heck, I'm not gonna go to 4.8. I'm gonna find another way to get that money, you know? And yeah, you gotta do budgets and all that stuff. But it's a real pain in the butt. It's truly a pain in the butt for some, particularly NASA. They're tough. You know, it's really hard. So, and then you guys are students at HBCU, you know. I may not think that whole weights, but it does, you know. NASA wants HBCUs. That's why it made it so attractive to us, you know, to do this. We're gonna do this thing called Mars City, where we and do all this stuff with the Kennedy Space Center down there and all this stuff, and do Mars City Institutes with teacher education students and faculty like me from all over the Southwest, you know. But it didn't happen. Yeah. Okay, we move on. How many of you are part of some type of organization? Educational wise? Yeah, okay. Continue doing that, okay? These are all, SD's not one that you would probably do. I'm not talking about fraternities or sororities and stuff like that. Well, I'm talking more about like with your content area, you know.
Like professional one.
Your professional organizations, yeah. You guys need to do that, get involved. Because it's like, you know, you'll find like-minded colleagues that, you know, are gonna be thinking about the same things you're thinking about, and how to move forward in your profession and so forth and so. I have been nominated for a special recognition award of distinction.
Congrats.
Well, I've been nominated, so
That's
we'll
good.
see. But I go in March to Baltimore to see if that's gonna happen or not. And, you know, that's through the International Technology and Engineering Educators Association,
That's a big nomination.
which
You
I,
said
well,
international.
in 2016, I got Distinguished Technology Engineering Educator, which is the biggest one they have.
Well, you do. You got your hand in every cookie jar. So.
Every cookie jar, that's
Yeah.
right,
You
that's
do
what you
a
need to
lot.
do too.
You do
You know, because I got this big award in 2016, I can put it up on the wall, you know, and guess what? The next day, I'm still, you know, it don't matter. I'm doing
Wait.
You know what?
You know what? Can you write me a letter of recommendation?
Absolutely.
Thanks.
That's kind.
But I can't put DTE behind my name, so I'm Dr. David White, PhD, comma, DTE, for Distinguished Technology Educator.
Yeah, I
So,
thought that's what the.
you
Okay.
know, I gotta put, you see those handles on some of these professors, they got all this stuff behind them,
They
you know.
really do.
But that's the big one in my
XYZ.
profession, you know.
But you got a lot of stuff too. You do a lot.
Well, I try, because guess what? You can get all these accolades, you can make all the money in the world. I'm the type of person that doesn't matter to me. The next day, I gotta find something else to do. I got another, you know, hill to climb. I got another dragon to slay, baby. You know, I got stuff I need to do. I'm gonna be doing that till the day I die,
Oh, that's good. That's
you
good.
know? And that's what I'm hoping to instill in you guys. And I know a lot of you have that mindset. You do. You work hard, you get the rewards, you move on, you get another goal. Okay. Digital badges, again, you know, I was gonna have them do that. Badges are cool. It talks a lot about it in your book. Digital Learning Day, it happens every February. You know, for my teachers out there, you need to celebrate it in your schools. Involving students and change. So again, you know, student voices are heard. Students are more likely to be active and collaborators in the change. So, but you can't, you as a leader have to, you know, organize the change and make it, you know, reasonable and make it a reality. You know, it's fun to go out there and just, you know, hey, I'm gonna kick ass here, but you know, you gotta have some type of boundaries, filters, something going on. You know, you have to have some type of mechanism for the students to make change and be collaborators. That's the last one. Okay, mindsets. Yeah. I'm assuming that was yawning stuff, not yay? Okay. So again, technology leading mindset. So you as an educator or a person in this here world, you know, you gotta have a mindset, just like I was talking about. You know, I'm gonna work as hard as I can, doing what I can, because that's just in my nature. I've been doing it forever. And I think a lot of you are like that too. Most of you are like that, not everybody. You know, so you have a mindset, you all have your individual things that you like to do, and I doubt if there's a lot of people in here who just like to go to school and then go home and watch TV and eat donuts and not do anything else, you know? What, is that you?
That
No.
is that you just told my life story.
Is that your life story?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think you're gonna be doing more. What was your major? Is that second?
Yeah, you put me with some psychology. Mine is public relation and business.
Public relation business, okay. Yeah, you're gonna be a very busy young lady soon, when you graduate and get a job, okay, if you're gonna follow that route. Okay, so, get that mindset, keep that mindset, learn something new every day. Learn something new every day, big or small, you know, it's like miracles with the Lord. I don't like to get too religious. But, I find a penny, that's a miracle. Okay. My wife doesn't yell at me this day. That's a miracle. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't know if she's watching
Why
that.
she be yelling at you, Dr.
I
White?
have no idea why my wife would yell at me
Well, how
for
do you
breathing wrong or
balance?
something. I don't know.
Well, at least she making sure you breathe properly though, you know, from
That's
that.
true.
But, try to learn something new every day, big or small, it doesn't matter. Time and effort are required to learn two technologies and ways to integrate them, there's always more ways to learn. And that's the bottom line, there's always gonna be more ways to learn. Technology keeps you and your students learning, growing, and leading together. That's it.